Hello and welcome back. In today's Black Excellence presentation, we will highlight 12 vacation destinations for African Americans in 2018. Welcome to blackexcellence.com, the site where we share Black excellence, opulence, and affluence. Our mission is to inspire you as we enlighten you. Black travel is booming. African Americans are more open than ever to exploring different countries and discovering international gems. With so much excitement to get out and explore the world, it's no surprise that more African Americans are securing passports and tapping into their sense of adventure. Vacationing is good for the soul. It allows you to rest, relax, recharge, and refresh. While there are many popular destinations that are frequent favorites, our staff has put together this list to help African American travelers discover something new. All of these destinations allow travelers to step outside their comfort level while exploring life and culture off the beaten path. From Europe to Africa to Asia, there are plenty of destinations to put on your radar when planning your 2018 getaways, adventures, and retreats. In this original Black Excellence video, we will be featuring 12 vacation destinations for African Americans in 2018. So without further ado, let's get started. South Africa. South Africa is truly a country with astounding diversity. Beautiful beaches, great restaurants, scenic safaris, rich history, and so much more. South Africa's history of apartheid and its cultural renaissance is of particular relevance to the African American traveler. This is an extraordinary country with incredible hospitality, which will encourage you to want to return again and again, as so many do. France. France is the perfect place for African Americans to indulge. It is the world's top tourist destination and Europe's most diverse country to explore. From the beaches of the Riviera to shopping in Monaco to the cafes of Paris, there's a lot packed into just one country. First-time visitors will find themselves enjoying the world-famous cuisine and getting swept up in the seduction of this romantic country. Jamaica. Jamaica is the Caribbean country that comes with its own soundtrack. The island is rich in beauty and is well known for its tropical attractions, reggae music, and Caribbean cuisine. But it's the interactions and enthusiasm of the local residents that you will truly remember. With its slow pace, long sandy beaches, lush rainforests, and stunning waterfalls, Jamaica has plenty to offer African American travelers. United Arab Emirates. Powered largely by oil wealth, the UAE is defined by opulent resort hotels, ultra-modern architecture, and a seemingly unending thirst for innovative mega-projects. The luxurious country is also characterized by palm-shaped islands, city-sized malls, branded nightclubs, and indoor ski slopes. Vacationers' attention falls mainly on Dubai and Abu Dhabi, but UAE is a mosaic of 5 other emirates, each with its own character and allure. Thailand. Thailand is the travel hub of Southeast Asia. With its lush jungles, famed beaches, amazing cuisine, and cheap prices, Thailand is at the top of our 2018 travel list. Friendly and fun-loving, exotic and tropical, cultured and historic, Thailand radiates a golden hue from its glittering temples and tropical beaches. And if the scenery doesn't amaze you, the fine art galleries and swanky hotels just might. Ethiopia. Dubbed the cradle of civilization, Ethiopia is one of the oldest countries in the world. It is one of Africa's most beautiful countries, and its landscapes are epic in both scale and beauty. Highlights of Ethiopia not only include its numerous historic sites, but also its high mountains, waterfalls, and arid deserts. Ethiopia is a multicultural, multifaceted destination where the art of hospitality is alive and well. If you love our videos and have a suggestion for a future edition, let us hear from you in the comments section below. Japan. The land of the rising sun is a fascinating country where the past meets the future. This iconic Asian country is intriguing due to its bizarre fetish culture, outlandish fashion, and steadfast respect for ritual and tradition. From bustling city life to swanky shopping to well-known hole-in-the-wall Japanese restaurants, there is something for everyone. Not to mention that Japan has a deep appreciation for hip-hop and dancehall reggae music. Tanzania. Located in East Africa, the reasons to visit Tanzania are numerous since it captures the quintessential romantic images of Africa. Adrenaline junkies can climb Mount Kilimanjaro, keen observers can go on a safari in the Serengeti, and sun worshippers can head to the beaches on the Spice Islands of Zanzibar. Additionally, Tanzania boasts some of the most impressive national parks and game reserves in Africa. Morocco. Morocco is a heady mix of cultures, religions, ancient traditions, and modern sensibilities. Located in the northwest corner of Africa, the country is filled with charm and mystery. Explore the history and culture of Morocco by visiting a famed museum or Sultan's palace, touring the stunning mosques, shopping at a souk market, or indulging in authentic Moroccan cuisine. Canada. Canada is incredibly diverse, and you'll hear it in the music, see it in the arts, and taste it in the cuisine. Canada is home to several vibrant, bustling cities featuring some of the world's finest restaurants, leading nightlife, luxury hotels, and cultural attractions. Moreover, the world's second largest country has an astonishing variety of landscapes, including sky-high mountains, glinting glaciers, spectral rainforests, and remote beaches, all spread across 6 time zones. Greece. Greek culture is alive with passionate music, inspired cuisine, and thrill-seeking activities. The country is a flavorful melting pot of sparkling night spots, fresh seafood, sizzling Mediterranean passion, and mythical legend. Its cultural treasure chest includes the ancient citadel of Acropolis, Olympia where the first Olympians competed, and Athens, home to the world's greatest thinkers, philosophers, and poets. Turkey. This European city is best measured in multitudes of people, natural landscapes, and cultures. It is a land of vast open spaces and massive mountain ranges, fast-growing cities and sleepy villages, seaside resorts, and remote beaches. Turkey offers activities to suit every temperament, from outdoor adventure to cultural enrichment. And the best thing about sampling Turkey's delicious specialties is that they take you to the heart of Turkish culture and deepens your understanding of the country. We appreciate the fact that you stayed with us until the end. Thank you for spending time with us, and don't forget to like this video. Also, make sure you subscribe so that you never miss a video. Bye for now. We will see you tomorrow.